Gonna go ahead and do a headlight restoration on this Subaru. See how it's kind of blotched out. Can't see very well at night. This car is about 10 years old. The sun has done its damage. So this is the kit that I use. It's a BG headlight kit. And it produces OEM-like results. It will last about 3 years in direct sunlight or more, and it depends on the headlight design. And it comes with this masking paper, masking tape, and it has two kinds of wet sandpaper, 1000 and 600, and it has a sanding pad and some wipes to get all the gunk off at the end. Basically, I'm going to be sanding down by hand all the clear coat that's on top of the plastic that's painted. It's more like an epoxy paint. It's a hard coating. I'm going to sand all that yellow stuff off and get to the base, which is the plastic, with this. Then I'm going to sand it with these, with the wet sandpaper. And then one of the final steps after cleaning and surface prep, I'm going to hit it with this. I've got some little secrets to get the perfect, finish, but this is really good clear coat. It's not really clear coat. I'd say it's very similar, if not the same or better than the factory coating on many vehicles. It's not the cheap stuff you get at the auto parts store. These kits are kind of pricey. They're 50 to 80 bucks if you're lucky enough to find them online. So I just want to show what it looks like now, and I'll show part of the process and the finished product. Okay, it's all masked off. I am not a professional. I guess I am, but I'm not. I just do headlights. And we're protecting the finish of the car from getting overspray. And I like to tuck it underneath the headlight if possible. But there we go. Now it's time to start sanding this right here. Okay, here goes. Wet sand. Look at all that yellow. The yellowest coming off. Oof. All right, I'm gonna save you the boring details. All the water coming off is like tan yellow color. Clear. All right, let's do the 600. Already started on it. But I'll show you what's going on. When you first start, you get a nice white film. You can see all that stuff. And once it's all smoothed over, it kind of becomes less rough and more smooth. Kind of a thing you gotta get a feel for. You just keep sanding it for a little while. See, till it smooths out, and then you work your way up to the 1000. After the 600, it's looking like this. So it's time to move to the 1000. Let's go. Okay, wipe it down after you're done doing the final sanding. And I like to grab some of this window cleaner, hit it real quick with a fresh microfiber and wipe it down. Get all the imperfections. Cool. Let's take a look at it. There's no more yellow. Looks pretty good. Okay, so next step, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this towel that comes in the kit, and we're gonna wipe the whole thing down. That'll get all the little, bits that don't get picked up by the microfiber and the Windex. Then we're going to get this alcohol wipe and quickly go over the headlight like this. This is a pretty big headlight. Extra step is to get a heat gun and we're gonna go across the whole surface of the headlight to get any moisture evaporated. Once we do, that'll be the final step before we do the coating. I want to get every little bit of moisture, because if we don't, it's gonna pull up underneath the coating. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Heat it up. Here's the coating. I'm gonna shake this up for a good minute. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a little test spray. Okay. And I'm gonna go evenly and slowly from side to side like this. And do one light coat, wait 3 minutes, and apply a second coat. Here goes nothing. There it is. Beautiful. So I'm gonna wait 3 minutes and then do a second coat and you're good to go. All right, just got done doing the second coat. Just did the same thing as the first coat. Looks beautiful. So don't touch this thing for, it says 10 minutes, but I would wait half an hour to an hour. And then you can start, after about an hour, you can start peeling off all the masking tape. Wow, fabuloso. So beautiful.